Hey guys, Austin here with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today in this really quick Volt instructional video, I want to show you guys how you can get the most precise shave with Volt's new clear gel. Now Volt's new clear shave gel is a transparent gel that's supposed to help you get the most comfortable and precise shave that you possibly can. So here's a quick how-to video on how to achieve exactly that. Firstly and most obviously, what you want to do is grab your own Volt Clear Shave if you don't have some already. Grab your Volt Clear Shave and twist the locking pump cap. The locking cap is just there to make sure that when you're traveling with this stuff or when it's in storage or whatever, none of the clear shave gets anywhere. Apply the clear shave to your hand and notice just how clear and slippery it really is. Rub it around in your hands a little bit and apply it to the desired area that you want to shave. Now the cool thing about clear shave is that it can be applied wet or dry, meaning you can shave anywhere and anytime without needing running water, which means you can take this stuff camping with the travel size bottle, or you can just take this stuff on the go with you to work if you don't have time to shave at home, wherever it's convenient. And so once the clear shave is applied, you are ready to go. Notice how you can see right through it to all the hair underneath. If you have a beard or facial hair of any kind, this makes it super easy because you know exactly where your razor needs to go to get the most precise, sharpest lines you can possibly get. And then just begin shaving as normal, preferably with a new sharp razor blade. And then just keep a mental note of how easy it really is to get all those perfect beard lines without all that shaving cream and stuff getting in the way and obstructing your vision. From there, just be sure to pat the area dry with a towel once you're done, or rinse it off with some water, and that's pretty much it. Volt Clear Shave and Aftershave are available in Volt's signature aluminum bottles, and these bottles are refillable, meaning that if you run out of clear shave after using it for a while, you just head over to voltgrooming.com, pick up the 900 milliliter aluminum pouch refill pack of clear shave, and then you have tons of clear shave to refill your aluminum bottles with. That way, it just goes to show that you're helping out the environment and your wallet, considering that with one of these refill packs you're actually lowering the cost per ounce of the product. And there's no need to throw away plastic bottles or pouches or anything here. So overall, thanks for watching this quick little how-to video on how to use the Volt Clear Shave. We hope you guys see just how much more simple and easy it is to shave with a clear shaving lubricant like a clear shave, as opposed to one that kind of obstructs your sight of the beard lines and the hair you're trying to get rid of, for example like a foaming shave cream would do. If you guys are considering picking up your own shaving gel or aftershave, I recommend signing up for the Volt Amp It Up Rewards program. That way you can earn free amps every time you make a Volt purchase, which you can later use on things like shipping options, free products, things like that. Hope you guys can try some clear shaving gel of your very own, because it really is a game changer when you are shaping your beard look. I'll see you guys in the next video.